Howdy, it's Nick here from Lumberjack Tools. Today we have the DP20-1630F, a 20mm floor standing drill press. Let's get in the box, see what you get. So there we go, there's an overall view of everything that you get in the box. Now let's get to assembling it. So as this is a floor standing drill press, you are going to want to start on the floor. And what you do, you match these 4 holes on the column to the 4 holes on the base. So right, let's get this positioned up and I'll show you what to do. So you get your 4 bolts, 16mm socket or spanner, and you attach them like this. So there we go, the column is now fully secure. Let's move on to the next bit. So next up we are going to attach the lever for the rack to be able to lift up this for the next section, and you will have to use the Allen key that is provided. See, and there we go, handle is on. So now we can lift this up and move on to the table. So there we go, now we've got the arm up to a workable height. Let's get the table on. So you have the table, slot it through there and make sure the curved bit is at the back. With the lever, put it through the hole underneath, that's the bigger hole. And now you want to take this lever, put it at the back to be able to secure all this. So there you go, you want to screw the lever into this side. So there we go, fully secure. Now for this next bit, you might want to get a helping hand if you can't manage it yourself. So we're going to get the drill section on top of the column. So there we go, got the drill bit on. Now what you're going to do is tighten up this screw and this screw with the big Allen key provided. So next, let's get the handles on. Screw section in the little thread there. Now you have got little indents here so you can tighten down even more if you want to. Up next, we'll get the chuck on. Make sure all the grips are inside. And slip it onto the taper. Get a piece of wood, stick it underneath, then pull on the handle. You can just put enough pressure to keep it on there. And there we go. It's firmly on there now. Now with the chuck guard, and tighten this bolt here. Slide it on and tighten it back up and you're good to go. And there we go, one guard on there. So there we go, there's another one finished, and that is the DP20-1630F. Now hopefully that has helped you along with assembling the drill press. And don't forget, check out lumberjacktools.co.uk for more great products like this one, and I'll see you all next time. See you later.